Exercise 27. In the year 1920, a city had a population of 250,000. The population P of the city T years after the year 1920 can be modeled by the equation above. So, remember that in all these cases, perhaps the most important thing is to understand which two quantities are being connected. So, we have P standing for the population of a city, and T is the years after 1920. Based on this model, how many years after 1920 did it take for the population to triple? Well, let's see what that means. Triple means that since we started from 250,000, if we multiply that by 3, obviously we would reach the number of 750,000. So we need to find the value of t, which is the years after 1920, for which p is equal to that number. So I'm going to set up my equation to 50,000 plus 8,000 of t, and I'm going to solve it. I can solve it either by my calculator or by Desmos. Here I believe that it's quicker to solve it by hand. So 750,000 minus 250,000, that should be 8,000 t. That is 500,000 is 8,000 t's. I'll divide 500,000 by 8,000, and the answer here would have been 62.5 years, which means that the right answer is B.